Remove the green color of the phone screen with color picker. From chroma key tool, I select the green color and remove it. And I replace its place with another clip from overlay section and fix the size and ratio of the clip with the size of the phone screen by adding keyframe. The videos that you used on the green screen should be placed on the second layer, and the videos that are placed on the main layer will be shown on the mobile screen after the green color is removed by chroma key. Therefore, according to the movement and size of the mobile screen, I increase the size of the video in the main layer with keyframe. Then right from where the phone screen video ends, I increase the size of the video in the main layer. And in the same way as I did for the first part, I will do the same for the rest of the video. that's it. If you like to learn more tips and tricks of editing, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.